973523, obstructing public streets, intentionally obstruction of or interference with vehicle or pedestrians. 1. It shall be unlawful for any person or persons to intentionally obstruct, interfere with the normal or ordinary free use of passage of vehicles of or on any public street or highway provided for use by vehicular traffic, or for any person or persons to intentionally obstruct or interfere with the normal or ordinary free use and passage of pedestrians of or on any public sideway provided for foot travel by pedestrians, and any person or persons who so do shall be guilty of a misdemeanor, and upon conviction thereof shall be punished by a fine of not more than $400, or by imprisonment in the county jail for not more than 4 months, or for both fine and imprisonment. 2. This provision of this section is supplementary to the provisions of any other statute of the state. Can't stop traffic whether it's in a vehicle on a roadway or pedestrians walking on a sidewalk. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.